What's up, guys? In today's video we're getting to the new map. Like, it's gonna release soon. We're gonna go to it, and it's just gonna be a problem because I only have one hand. I'm gonna get a new hand today because my dad is going to work, and on his way back he's bringing me some batteries. So shout out to my dad. So what you're gonna need is that you should just put that in. Okay, now the reason I'm doing this is because I have one hand, but you can do this even if you have two hands. You can still do what I'm doing. Put that on your back, teleportation grenade, and I'm gonna go over here. Just like anywhere on this like square, basically. Okay, I'm so glad I didn't roll off. So okay. So what you're gonna do is put the umbrella on your back. Right? Now you're gonna wanna follow over here. And now, do you guys see that black thing over there? It's that. You can't really see it anymore. There's like that white thing over there, so that's what we're gonna be doing. So kind of just go to it. I've never been in the map, so this might take a ton of tries. Oh look, I can see it. No! I gotta aim more to the right. So also, there's also Shrek over there for absolutely no reason. I don't die for some reason, so I gotta just restart my game. If you do miss, and when you like take off your umbrella or something, you don't die, you can just restart the game and you're still gonna be in your code. Just watch. Ready? Wait. And see? Still in the same code. So, gonna do that all over again. So, I'm just... Oh, wait, guys, I know I have not been posting for a while. It's kind of because I ran out of video ideas. But yes, I'll still be posting. Also, 40... No. We're so close to 100 subscribers. We're at 64, so like 26. Yeah, I think 26. No, 36. Oh, I almost rolled off again. So 36 more subscribers, I think, and we get to 100. So, and my goal is 500. My subscriber goal. Because I've had multiple channels and my subscriber goal has always been 500. My top channel has 486 subscribers. But, yeah. I'm going to aim like over here. They see me rolling, patrolling. I think I see it. Is that it? Yeah. No! We barely missed. What? Look at Shrek. No, we barely missed it. No! No! Guys, I'm not stopping this video. They see me rolling, patrolling. And dun, dun, dun. No, but why did I gotta stop taking off the umbrella so I don't waste that much money. Waste that much money. What? I remember I was doing a giveaway at 15 subscribers, but since nobody joined, we weren't doing it anymore, and we also stopped doing it because the gold gun thingy became like not rare anymore. Like that thing, like this bundle, that gold gun became not rare anymore. So just like that. If that rolled off. No! Can I just... No! I hate it when that happens. Like, I do a little push, but since I have the umbrella, it takes me so far away. No! Alright. So, I maybe over here. Woo! That was goofy. I think I see it. No, wait. Please! We went too low! Oh my god. Yeah, guys. And it feels so mystical. Look. Do I still have... I just chucked my controller on the ground. Do I still have the umbrella? Okay, I do. Cause if moonbeam ice cream. Dun, 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 dun. I cannot do it over here. Oh my god, not again. I'm so bad at doing this, so I'm just gonna cut to when I do it, so yeah. Really. No! Ew. Yeah. Did you guys see that? Oh my god. I'm actually gonna cut to when I'm like down over there where I can do the glitch. Mystical. Pop. No, my rocket friend. Because if I do this, I know my arm is gonna be right there. Please, no! Moonbeam ice cream. Wait, what? Somebody was in my code. What? Okay, this time I gotta... This time I gotta aim higher, okay? Way higher. I checked over here and somebody was in. See? Like, what the hell? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm about to have these, I'm gonna just have backpacks ready. I'm gonna put it in my stash so when I die it doesn't respawn. No! Oh god. Oh my god. No. Get out. Yeah guys, so today was the last day of school for me. But I decided to not go because well I don't really like school. And either way today was the last day and I'm not going. So technically for me, the last day was yesterday. But all my friends are at school, so it's kinda disappointing. Because my parents asked me if I wanted to stay in school or not. And I said, if my friend is staying home, then I'm staying home. But I just told my dad I'll stay home, I guess. And then my friends were going to school. They texted me, and then I'm sad. Okay, aim way higher. Woo! Cause it feels so mystical, magical. Oh no, we missed it by a ton. Wait, did we? Don't tell me. Bruh. Wait, I got it! I got If you ever get stuck, just reach up your hand and what the hell? Okay. So this looks like extremely ugly. So wait, can I buy stuff? Wait, what? What? Whoa! Here's the friend net. Why is it so big? Here is the computer. I don't think you can learn code over here. Here's the mirror, bro. Dude, we made it. And why does it say busted with Shrek? Wait, can we like? Yeah, so we can buy stuff. What else is? I know there's a selling machine somewhere. What's this? Oh, is this like a camera? This looks like a huge camera. Well, we made it, I guess. I know there's a... Oh, there it is. Now, the real question is, can we sell? There's no way. Wait. We can actually sell. Ooh, here they're gonna add something, but we don't know it yet. What else? We're gonna be checking out this whole thing. Over here is just complete darkness. Can we go into the VR? Wait! We might actually be able to. Oh, does it kick me does it like kick me out? Okay, it does. What else? Alright, so wait, what's up there? Whoa, I did not think I could get here with one hand. What's back here? Is this like the backstage area? Oh, it is dark. Ugh. Damn, bro. Like, goddamn, bro. Well, this map looks extremely ugly. But, let's just, like, what? Like, just what is this map? Well, let's just go. What? No, don't tell me I miss it. Oh, God. No! Oh, okay. So, how are we even supposed to get up here? Is it just like this chill area? Oh, there's like, it's like parkour. No! I got this, bro. Whoa! How did I miss this? This looks extremely weird. Dude, why do I keep extending like my lenses, bro? It keeps saying that I'm extending them, and it's at 68 degrees right now. I remember when I first started playing on with the lenses on my VR, they were like so dumb, and I had to change them because I had to like move them because I couldn't see anything. Because number one, my vision is blurry, and then with the lenses. With the lenses, it looked pretty blurry, so I could barely see. Oh my God. Oh, bless me. Oh, it is up here. Ah! No! So here's this chill area. What if we get to like actually play stuff? Well, this new map looks so cramped. Like, so like squished together. It's gonna be the death of you and me and you and you. Dun, 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 dun. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Bye bye! I know.